All right, let's do it. My name is Rich Robb, and I'm the founder and owner of Gator Pit of Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. I'm gonna walk you through this custom 2460 that we designed for some customers in the San Antonio, Texas area. We've got a 1/4 inch thick wall, 24 diameter by 60 long, 5-foot main chamber, single door counterweighted with 3 Tel Tru Gator Pit gauges. We've got 2 probe holes left and right of the door to run your wired thermometers or any other type of wired device that you want to put inside. We've got the dual Birdhouse stacks, the Gator badging, stainless steel with Gator etched on it. We've got Gator badging on the door, made in the USA. You notice this one's got something unique that we haven't done a whole lot, or actually, really, we haven't done it all. There is a Gator Pit out there that looks like this, that a guy did, but he brought it to somebody that he knew who put the golf cart wheels on it, and you've probably seen that all over YouTube. Got a lot of attention on it. We've got a customer here and his wife that are actually watching me right now that wanted that same look on their 24x60, and here we go. We've got it. We've got D-rings to tie this thing down and secure it. Makes it easy when you put it in a trailer or a toy hauler. We've got the side access door. We've got a solid plate 12-inch front shelf. Inside, you've got upper and lower sliding food trays. And yes, it's that easy to open and close the door and to pull out your sliding food trays. You've got an upper sliding food tray. Hangs out just as easily. Holds a lot of meat when you do a single door like this. We've got tuning plates inside. The tuning plates allow the pit to run an even temperature all the way across, and this pit will run even temperature all the way across. The tuning plates are adjustable, they're lockable, and they are removable. Down below, you've got your storage rack. You've got a 2-inch ball valve grease drain right here. We've got a tank holder that clips on the back of the lower storage area on the 2-inch angle on the back side. On the back side there's also a 1/2-inch gas pipeline, a brass ball valve to control the flame in the firebox, and also a high pressure regular hose with its own control valve on it as well. Getting to the golf cart steering, over here you have a T-handle, locks in the upward position, and it makes it easy to roll this big pit. This pit probably weighs a good 1,300 pounds, maybe a little more, 1,400 pounds. It makes it easy to turn, as you can see here. We got bump stops on it, so you can't oversteer it. The tires won't hit the log rack, won't hit your lower storage down there. The knobbies won't rub and get caught on the lower storage. It can't hit, it can't bump. That's why we call it a bump stop. Lock it back in place. The T-handle is also removable. There's a pin down here that you pull this linch pin, pull that rod out, and the whole handle comes completely off. Probably won't ever need to remove it, because to access anything, you can drop the handle here to access your side door, which makes it easy to clean out. There's also a charcoal grate in there. If you ever wanted to grill in this big pit, you can do it. And when you don't want the T-handle in your way, lock it and store it in an upward position. Our steering mechanisms, we're actually using a 2,000-pound wheel hub for the steering, for the pivoting point. It's got greasable bearings in there. I've used that hub because you're not going to wear that hub out. A lot of guys use washers in there, and they put 2 washers in there and they rotate and turn. That's going to cause problems over time, I can tell you that right now. It's just going to bind up on you. It's going to rust and bind up on you. When you take 2 pieces of metal and you have 2 pieces of metal flush like that, with a nut running, a bolt running through it and tightening it up, over time that's going to jam on you. It's going to cause you problems. You have to keep replacing it, changing it out. You're never going to have that issue with our Gator Pit design on the steering mechanism. And there are actual wheel hubs, just like you have on a utility trailer. I believe these are 12-inch wheels with the knobby tires. Gives a good, cool, beefy look, tough look, a Gator Pit tough look. The back side over here, we've got a heavy 24x24 square firebox, 1/2-inch thick steel, gas assist inside, and check out this heavy ass fire grate. You don't see fire grates like that in other pit manufacturers' pits. They don't do it. What they usually do is they'll take this expanded metal and they'll put a little flat bar on the edges of it, and they'll set that down. That's what keeps it up off the bottom. They don't do all this, guys. That's heavy, thick, it's made to last. And again, you got your thick 1/2-inch door. This is solid, guys. Never going to be replaced that. Heat retention, dial style air intake vents with stainless steel cool touch handles on them. In the back, you've got some tools And storage for it, you've got the ash rake back here. Makes it easy to clean that firebox out. And it's also cut the length to be able to take the ash out of this 5-foot main chamber. By inserting this into the side door, you can now reach all the way across and pull all your ash out very easily. I'll walk the video around, I'll walk the camera around so you can see the pit at a 360 view. There's your Tel Tru gauges. Nice tight seals on the doors, don't leak. You got your dual birdhouse stacks, pretty badass look right there. Backside, you got your protective plate over your gas lines back there as well. Your big golf cart wheels, knobby tires for a tougher look, beefier look. Your D-rings, 1/2-inch firebox. 2 dial style air intake vents with stainless steel cool touch handles on them. And there's your gas line and your protective plate and your hoses back here. Beautiful pit. Tank holder back there actually clips onto the back. Say hi, guys. Didn't know I was gonna put y'all on camera, did you?
It's a beautiful pit.
It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, and that's about it. That's the quick version of it. If you guys are in the San Antonio area, you may see this at some cook-offs. I don't know. Y'all gonna be doing any cook-offs? Y'all will probably see this at cook-offs. Check these guys out. You got a cook-off team name? What is it? Come on over here. I'll put y'all in here. Get on in here if y'all want to get in. What's the cook-off team name?
3F.
3UP. 3UP.
3F.
3F. 3F is the name of the cook-off team. These guys will be in the San Antonio area. Y'all check them out. I'm sure they'll be around on the IBCA circuit and whatever other sanctioned events that are over there. What's Lone Star and what else is over there?
IBCA.
Just IBCA, that's it? No Kansas City or anything over there in the San Antonio area? They hadn't made it down there yet. So y'all see them in the IBCA circuit over there around the San Antonio area. Go check them out, 3F barbecue team. This is their pit. They're picking up today. It's the first time they've seen it. I hope they like it. I hope they enjoy it. And it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Give me a call, 713-896-0144. Email me at info@gatorpit.net. Let's see what Gator Pit can do for you on your dream cooker. See ya. Gator Pit of Texas. I'm Rich Robin. We're here with the customer, Mike. Mike, tell us about your Gator Pit you got over here. You just picked it up today that you waited for. What do you think about it?
This is a great thing, Rich. 2460. Got ordered it last July, 2017.
So we're right about a year, 12 months, a little over 12 months wait.
Yeah, 13 months.
I know you haven't fired it up, but from what you see, is it worth it?
Absolutely. Can't wait to get it home. We're going to season it tomorrow and start cooking on it next weekend.
Good deal. Appreciate it. I appreciate the patience, man. Appreciate the patience. We love customers like you that are patient with us, and you get these quality Gator Pits. Thank you. There you go, guys. Gator Pit Texas Custom Barbecue Pits, golf cart wheels, front steering. Makes it easy to load, easy to maneuver, easy to haul around. Gator Pit of Texas, custom barbecue pits. Check out this badass Gator Pit. Look at those golf cart wheels. 24x60, 1/4-inch thick steel. Gator Tel Tru gauges, counterweighted, single door, wide cut. Big solid plate front shelf, D-rings. T-handle for your pull, push. Locks in the upper position, folds down. Look at the steering mechanism. Beefy badass right there, guys. We ain't sitting there putting washers up in there, shims. 1/2-inch thick firebox, probe holes. Look at the inside of this thing. Sliding food trays, pinning plates, even temperature. I guarantee this pit will run even all the way across this big 5-foot chamber. It will do it. It's what Gator Pit's known for. Flange doors, nice tight seals. 1/2-inch thick firebox, badass. Dual dowel style air intake vents with stainless steel cool channels on them. And your Gator Pit's gas assist. There's a removable tank holder that fits on there as well. Customers have already put that in their truck. But you got a protective plate over your gas lines, your 1/2-inch brass ball valve, and your quick connect high pressure regulator hose. And you got hangers here for your tools, ash rake, fire pokers, and we got Gator Pit's badass signature birdhouse stacks. Check them out. This is Gator Pit's trademark right here. Gator Pit's trademark. I've been doing these birdhouse stacks since I was 14 years old. I kid you not. Since I was 14, I've been doing birdhouse stacks. This is one nice pit. Got a side access door to easily clean it out. Got a nice big ball valve grease drain down there. We 90'd it to get it out of the way. Got the steering mechanisms in there. And again, beefy, 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 guys. There's bump stops on there so you can't oversteer it and have your wheels hit your lower log rack and bind or jam up on you. Just rub your paint off. It's not going to happen. Gator Pit quality, guys. It's what we do. It's what we do all day long. I'm Rich Robin. Give me a call. See ya.